heading to Chick-fil-A, and it just started, and it's very, very interesting. When could the car do that? She ain't helping up. I'll meet you at the Chick-fil-A place thingamajiggy bobber. Boop. Cut off. Jesus Christ. Something that I've realized on this year. Still, you gotta say I can edit this and play it. I mean, it's not the best, but I mean, I guess it's just people that never seen it before. I mean, you could just look at it now. Cayman GT. F-Type. I mean, it's not really the best. All time, but I'm just saying KTM. HBS Motorsports is great. And they got a little boozy goozy.
A little what?
Boozy goozy.
What's that?
It's right there. Oh god.
I'm about to get in the shower.
Okay. The art behind you. So basically, we have a pocket racer thingamajiggy, and like, what else better to do than use it? I mean, of course, you obviously use it. Why would you buy it and waste your money on whatever it is? So, I was thinking that we can do some rally tricks with this little Lamborghini right here, and we'll charge. And once the red light turns off, then we can take it. It only charges for 3 minutes. That's a pretty great, charge time, and it's only $2, so it's great. Well, in my state it is. If you're in another state, I'm sorry, but in here it's $9. Not $9. $2. Yeah, $2. And it isn't close. Charge it. So, don't mention the music in the background. That's not me. That's just someone else. It's just it's just someone else and their music. But yeah, I mean, okay. So it's basically charged. No, I forgot to turn it on. Okay, so I turned the car on. I don't even turn this on. Okay, so you go forward, the rear lights turn on. When you go backwards, the front lights turn on. What? This is inverted. This is inverted controls right here. Once you go down, it goes straight. Oh no, you hold it like this. You hold it like this instead of like this. I was holding it like this the whole time. To hold it like this. What? Okay. I know you guys can't see, but you will in just a second. Just want to test that for myself first. Here. Ah! This thing is a rally car. Okay, so now you guys can see it too. Here.
Damn, he bad,
New score. Wow. I'm about to take the tires off and make it the slick car, aka the title of this video.
This is the
What to do with the knife? Gotta cut it once and then it just comes off. Because it has no other way of coming off. I said. Just through your tires. You gotta keep the front tires on unless you don't want to. Or make it slide really over. Even if it's on carpet. It's not gonna go okay, so I'm getting there. But this is so good, but this is just don't. I don't know anything. I have one tire off while I'm also stirring up the grits for breakfast. And I have both tires off, and I'll meet you in when I'm done with breakfast. You know what I'm saying, bro? Oh, it does work. I'm gonna show you how it works in our next video. But for right now,
I'm a zombie.
well, that the zombie outro psych. We ain't done. We going to the skating ring. We are at the skating ring, and yeah, we just. Do you want to eat your
camera gets back.
Remember, find me on Xbox One. I'm find me on Xbox One. Once I get to my